If you're looking to stop recurring charges on WhatsApp, this guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with the recurring charges you want to stop. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner for Android or the settings icon at the bottom right for iOS. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Account. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. This section contains various options related to your account management, including privacy and security settings. Step 4. Manage subscriptions. Look for an option labeled Subscriptions or Payments. Here, you will find a list of any active subscriptions linked to your WhatsApp account. Select the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel the selected subscription. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the recurring charges are stopped. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the cancellation was successful. By following these steps, you can effectively stop any unwanted recurring charges on WhatsApp. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to customer support.